Hello, I'm Magda from I'm Little Creature. Today I'd like to present you KnitCrate membership unboxing. I have two packages here for May and June. They are delayed, so I have to open these packages to prepare for making the video for you. So firstly, let's look at the May, and we have a theme, happy little things, skins, happy little skins, and I'll show you the booklet closer in a moment. But first, let's look at the yarns, the beautiful soft yarns. Why they are so soft? Because we have a 90% Suri alpaca and 10% of cashmere. So let's look at the label. You see, and the color, it's a chocolate mocha brown, so soft, with a bit fuzzy, you see, fuzzy. What is the Suri alpaca? I found information that they are rare alpacas. They make up only 5% of the world's alpaca population. They has a long hanging dreadlock type lustrous fleece that hangs close to the body and moves freely. I give you photos of the Suri and Huacaya, because we have two breeds, Suri and Huacaya. So look at the photos. Look at these two skins of beautiful KnitCrate yarn, Odin Wool's Chill. I haven't said it. What else I've got? We have it is called the Progress Keepers, I think. So you may marks when you are knitting, crocheting. Do you see that? Okay. Beautiful yellow glassy. Let's look at the booklet. The booklet for May Happy Little Skins. You see what's inside, and below there is a link for digital patterns. You may download it. A theme and inspiration. Embrace the peace of nature as we celebrate creating a little world of our own with laid back, positive energy. The colorways shared with our Happy Little Skins theme would be welcome in any painted landscape. Squirrel, beautiful colors of nature. Knit and Crochet Club, Odin Wool's Chill. I showed you the label already. You may read it once again. Look at the colorways. I've got a little cabinectomy. And the sock club. I don't get a KnitCrate sock, so I don't know what these yarns are. Month's Patterns, Knit and Crochet Club. Knit Fallen Cowl by Casey Hurley. Oh, difficulties in reading. Read this, please. And Slouch Hat by Ashley Connectney. I like this cowl. Probably I'll make it when I found free time for knitting. I have difficulties recently. And here is the socks, really nice color, leaves, you see, pattern, petal, oh, we have a petal, not leaves, petal socks. Patterns, and how green, beautiful trees, and theme for June, Mirage. And the next month, June, the theme is Mirage. You see the booklet. And let's look at the yarns. I've got the grassy greens, colorway Palm Springs, and it's a Vidalana Oasis. Palm Springs 50% alpaca wool, 25% Peruvian Highland Merino wool blend, and 25% Suri alpaca. In this May we had 90% of Suri alpaca, and here we have 25%. It's soft, but not so soft as this yarn. Two skins. And what else? I see a yellow tones a bit in this yarn. Fuzzy also, it's quite fuzzy. This halo of the Wakaya alpaca. Decay weight. We have with this Odin Wool's Chill, we had a worsted weight, just to compare. And what else inside? I found something for your drink. So really nice. I remember that when I was working on a walk with my baby, I used this, so really needed for me. Now I show you the booklet closer. The booklet for Mirage theme, a desert colors. What's inside? Theme and inspiration. A yarn store glimmers in the distance. As you get closer, you can make out shades of green, blue, red and grey. Which one will be right for your next project? The good thing about this Mirage, though, is that it doesn't disappear as you get closer. All of the yarn is at your fingertips, ready to be knitted or crocheted into your next creation. As the desert sun slips beneath the horizon, make yourself a cozy scarf or a shawl to keep away the cold as the wind blows across the sand. We know you love this month's yarn and projects that call to mind a beautiful desert mirage. What about the yarns? Knit and Crochet Club, Vidalana Oasis, Decay weight, you get it 2 skins, lots of colorways. I've got Palm Springs. I like this very much. It's Morocco, probably, yes. And the socks. Patterns. I like knitted pattern. Leaves and Soda by Lola Logaro, the Hilkun, and Crochet, Jackson Shawl. And the socks. This color is also beautiful. I don't know which this is. No, something is wrong here, I think, because I've got a Palm Springs and here is the Palm Springs. So probably it's Casablanca. I don't know. I need to check this. Thank you for watching my video. And if you want to subscribe to KnitCrate for the first time, you may use my affiliate link in the video description below the video and click this link, use my code AMILC20 to get 20% off of your first crate. Thank you very much, KnitCrate, for sending me these crates. I like your yarns very much. I'm so happy that I can test your yarns. And before I say you goodbye, I would like to show you my charming witch. I made it some time ago and she's looking for a home. So if you're interested in, soon we have a Halloween. I'm in Halloween mood. Just mail me or visit my Etsy shop. There is the which you may purchase with the awl and with a beautiful folky skirt. And here is the butt. My daughter loves it very much. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.